Installing a Greenstone masonry heater? Here's what you must do before installation day. Let's get into it. First, understand the weight. These heaters weigh 4,000 to 10,000 pounds. That's like 2 cars in your living room. You need a structural evaluation. Most homes require reinforcement, steel beams, extra joists, or a concrete pad. Basement installations may sit directly on an existing concrete slab on grade or on a newly poured slab for new construction projects. Main or upper-level installations require a masonry block structure or a steel post and beam support system beneath the heater. Location matters. Place it centrally in open floor plans for best heat distribution. You need 36 inches clearance from the front, 4 to 6 inches from sides. Every heater needs a proper chimney, masonry or metal. If you have an old chimney, get it inspected. Most aren't suitable for masonry heaters. Protect your home. Use plastic barriers to seal off construction areas. Cover floors with heavy-duty protection. Clear furniture and valuables. You'll need staging space for materials, stone pallets, mortar bags, and tools. Installation is faster than most people expect. Standard Greenstone models are typically installed in just 3 to 4 days. Custom or veneer heaters usually take 5 to 10 days. Stock up on firewood early. You need hardwoods like oak or maple, dried for 2 years. Plan for 1 to 3 cords per season, depending on your climate. Evaluate structure. Plan space. Arrange chimney. Protect your home and prepare early. Subscribe for more helpful videos. Stay warm and safe.